Now, the next technique in algebra we need to know about is how to multiply out brackets. And what we're going to do first of all is look at how we multiply out a bracket with a number, or indeed a letter outside, and then look at how we multiply a pair of brackets. When multiplying out brackets, we need to remember this rule. Each term inside the pair of brackets must be multiplied by the term outside the bracket. So for example, 3 lots of y plus 2 would give me an answer of 3y plus 6. Each term inside gets multiplied by 3. Likewise, 4 lots of 2x minus 5 would give me an answer of 8x minus 20. Each term inside being multiplied by 4. Right, so let's have a look at some multiplying out questions together on the board. Let's start off with some nice straightforward ones. 5 lots of 3x minus 1. So we know that everything inside the bracket needs to be multiplied by what's outside. So in this case, I'm going to do 5 lots of 3x and then 5 lots of minus 1. That's going to give me, well, 5 lots of 3x is 15x. 5 lots of minus 1 gives me minus 5. The arrows are useful as a reminder if this is the first time you've seen this, but obviously the better practice you get at it, the less need there is to put the arrows in. Right, another question, this time with 3 terms inside the bracket. 3 lots of 2m plus 3n minus 4p. So it doesn't matter how many things we have in our bracket, each one of them is still going to be multiplied by what's outside. 3 lots of 2m is 6m. 3 lots of 3n is 9n. And then 3 lots of minus 4p is minus 12p. So every term multiplied by 3. The same would apply with letters. So if I had x lots of 2x plus y, everything inside would this time be multiplied by x. So x multiplied by 2x would give me 2x squared, because remember x times x is x squared, and then x multiplied by y would simply give me xy. So it doesn't matter if we're multiplying with letters or numbers, the process is always the same. Now let's look at an example where we'll multiply out some brackets, but then there's further simplification that needs to be done. And what they'll say in the question is they would like you to expand and then simplify a particular expression. So if we look at this one, 3 lots of 2a plus 1 minus 4 lots of a plus 2. They want us to expand and simplify. That means multiply out the brackets and collect the like terms together. So 3 lots of 2a plus 1, well that would multiply out to give me 6a plus 3. Remembering this is a negative 4 here, multiplied by a plus 2 would give me minus 4a minus 8. So I've multiplied out my brackets and now I need to collect the like terms together. 6a take away 4a, well that would give me 2a, and then plus 3 minus 8, well 3 take away 8 is minus 5. So my final answer would be 2a minus 5. Let's look at one more. 5 lots of c plus 3d subtract 4 lots of c minus 2d. So 2 different letters in here. Again, we're multiplying out and then collecting like terms together. So when we multiply out this bracket, it will give us 5c plus 15d. Don't forget that's a negative 4 again. Minus 4 times c, minus 4c, and minus 4 multiplied by minus 2d, plus 8d. Now we need to collect those like terms together, because we have d terms and c terms in here. 5c subtract 4c just gives me 1c, but remember, we don't write the 1 in front of it, we just write the letter. And then 15d plus 8d gives me 23d. So my final answer is C plus 23d. So these questions have used two skills that you should now be comfortable with: multiplying out a bracket and collecting like terms. And don't be surprised if in some of the algebra questions on your exam, you're asked to perform more than one of the techniques we've seen.